Hello friends, I am Zamil6. In this video I will present you a full guide on how to set up a Masternode for XDNA coin. To set up a Masternode you will need the followings: Windows wallet with Masternode collateral of 1000 XDN for light Masternode, 3000 XDN for medium Masternode, and 5000 XDN for a full Masternode. One Linux VPS server and a software to connect from local computer to remote VPS server. In this tutorial I will use Bitwise Tunlia. Let's get started. First, we need to get a VPS server running Linux Ubuntu version 16. In this tutorial, I will show you how to deploy a server on vultr.com. Go visit vultr.com and create an account. Once logged in, click on server, and choose the closest location to you. At server type, choose Ubuntu version 16.04. On server size, select $5 plan. On additional features, select IPv6. On server host name, type in any name without spaces. Click deploy now, then finish the payments. When server installation is ready, you will be provided with one IP address and a password. Save it to a text file for later use. Next we need to install Windows Wallet on your computer. To download the latest wallet, go on Discord, official links, and choose one of the many options. I will use link from official website at www.xdna.io. Click on resources, then wallets, and download Windows Wallet. Once download is complete, unzip the file and run it. If Windows Firewall pops up, click on Allow Access. Now we wait for the wallet to sync. It might take a while to fully sync. To see if you have connections, and the number of blocks, go to Tools and click on Information. Here you will see the number of nodes connected and current blocks number from blockchain. When synchronization finished, you can encrypt your wallet. After encryption, wallet needs to be restarted. It's time to set up Windows Wallet for Masternode. In this tutorial, I will set up a light Masternode, but for all Masternodes types, the setup is the same. Only difference is the amount you send for collateral. Next we need to send 1000 XDN coins for Masternode collateral. To get a new address, click on XDNA mark under your balance on main wallet. Now click on New, then edit label of your new address, Masternode Lite 1, and copy that address. Next we go to Send tab, then paste the address we just copied, and enter the amount to send for your collateral. In this case we send 1000 XDNA coins. Remember to have some extra coins when you send the collateral, to pay the transaction fee. Now we go to transaction history and wait for 3 confirmations, before we move to next step. Okay, next we go to Tools Icons, then on Console tab, we type these commands. First, Masternode Genki. Second, Masternode Outputs. They are Masternode private key and transaction hash. We need to copy them to a text file for later use. We need to copy them to the text file, where we copy also the VPS IP address and XDNA Masternode port, 1945. It's time to edit config file. Go to Tools menu and click Open Masternode Configuration File. Go on a new row, and type as alias, MN1, now copy and paste the VPS IP in Masternode port 1945, next copy and paste the private key, again copy then paste the transaction hash, and at the end enter IDX number which can be 0 or 1. Save file and close wallet. Now it's time to set up VPS server and install Linux wallet on remote server. Open Bitwise Tunlia, and enter IP address, port 22, and password from vulture.com server. For the next step I will use the semi-automatic script from github.com/xdna core, you can find the link in Discord channel. We might need to copy and paste some commands from Windows to Linux terminal. For those that are new to Linux, Ctrl-C, and Ctrl-V does not work. To copy a text from terminal you need to select that text with mouse from terminal and left click. To paste in Linux you just press right mouse click. It is essential, before we start installing the script, to add a new user to the Linux server. Running this script as user root, it might give you errors during installation. Type in, add user, your username, choose your password, then press enter to continue. Then add your newly created user to sudoers group by entering this command. Now we must restart Linux terminal and enter the user and password created earlier. Next we continue copying and pasting these commands, one by one from Windows to Linux. When a prompt message appears on your Linux terminal, you need to copy the private key from the text file we saved earlier and paste it into Linux terminal, then press enter to continue. Make sure you pasted the entire key before press enter, otherwise your Masternode will fail to start. On next prompt type Y, and press enter to continue. This part can take up to 45 minutes, so be patient. When the script finished the installation, a prompt message appear on your Linux terminal. Now we need to restart Windows Wallet. In your Windows Wallet go to Tools Icons. Then on console type in the following command to start the node, start Masternode, alias, false, MN1. But first you need to unlock your wallet from settings menu, by entering your password. Now go to Masternode tab. If your Masternode status is enabled, your Masternode is started. Next we need to wait for the Linux terminal to get fully sync. Then check if also there is running. To see the wallet information in Linux, type in the next command. XDNA-CLI, getinfo. To check if the Masternode is running, type in XDNA-CLI, Masternode status. If the message is, Masternode successfully started, your Masternode is running. Now you just need to wait some time before you start receiving rewards. If you just installed now your Masternode, there is no need to follow the next step, which includes how to refresh your Linux wallet in case it freezes. Just copy and paste these commands. Next step is how to update Linux wallet when a new version is released. After update, you need to wait for wallet to sync before you check your Masternode status. Thank you for watching, and congratulations on your Masternode.